Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to do long division, which is the division method that we use in Year 6. The sum I'm going to focus on is 728 divided by 15. And I'm going to show you step by step how to get to the answer by using long division. First thing to do, top tip, is because we're dividing by 15, you're going to need to know your 15 times table. So down on the side here, I'm going to write out my 15 times table, because that's going to come in handy. So I'm going to do my 15 times table up to 10. So I know one lot of 15 is 15. I know 10 lots of 15 therefore must be 150. I'm going to start to use my knowledge of times table facts to try and fill in some of these other areas. So if 10 lots of 15 are 150, 5 lots must be half of that, which is 75. If I know that one lot is 15, 2 lots must be double that, which is 30. 4 lots must be double that again, so that's 60. And 8 lots would be double that again, which would be 120. So even if I don't know my 15 times table, I can use other facts to work these missing ones out. So here, I've got 2 lots of 15 is 30, so I just need to add on another lot of 15, which would take me to 40, 45. Once I know that, I can still then easily work out 6 lots of 15 by doubling it. So that will take me up to 90. And then I've got to add on another lot of 15, so take me up to 100, 105. And then one more lot of 15 onto here, 120, 135. So now I've got my 15 times table, I can start to use that to work out the answer. So let's put it into the bus stop first. 728 goes inside the bus stop, and the number I'm dividing by goes on the outside. So the first thing I'm going to say to myself is, how many lots of 15 fit into 7? None. So I'm going to put the 0 above the 7, above the bus stop, and then 0 lots of 15 are 0. Put a little line underneath. And I'm going to do 7 take away 0, which gives me a 7. And then, to find out how many more I'm going to have to divide the 15 by, or into, I'm going to need to bring down my tens. So I've now got 72. I now have to say to myself, how many lots of 15 are there in 72? And this is where my 15 times table knowledge comes in handy. So, 72 is smaller than 75, but it's bigger than 60. So I know that 4 lots of 15 fit into 60. So I'm going to put a 4 above the bus stop. 4 lots of 15 are 60. Let's find out how much more I've got left. So I'm going to have to do a takeaway sum here. 2 take away 0 is 2, 7 take away 6 is 1, and again this time I'm going to bring down the next number, which in this case is my 8. So I've now got 128 left. I've got to see how many 15s fit into 128. Right, where's 128? So it's more than 8 lots of 15, but less than 9 lots of 15. So I'm going to use my 8 lots of 15, which is 120. Do a little takeaway sum. 8 take away 0 is 8. 2 take away 2 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So I've still got 8 left. But I can't divide 15 by 8. So this here, this must be my remainder. But what I've actually forgotten to do is say that I used 8 lots of 15, so I need to make sure I put that above the bus stop. So 48 lots of 15 fit into 728, but I've got the remainder 8. So using long division, 728 divided by 15 is 48, remainder 8.